Caulk the tub in sections rather than trying to do the whole run in one go for better control and a cleaner finish. Start by explaining the objective clearly. You want a continuous bead that bonds to both surfaces without gaps, excess squeeze out, or uneven width. Prepare the area by removing old sealant with a thin utility blade and a razor scraper, then clean with isopropyl alcohol and allow full evaporation. This removes oils and mildew and guarantees adhesion. Cut the caulk tip at a small angle to produce a bead roughly the width of a credit card edge, and test on scrap to calibrate pressure and speed. Too large a cut makes cleanup harder. Use steady, even pressure on the cartridge while moving your hand at a constant pace to avoid blobs and thin spots. Pause briefly at corners to maintain overlap and continuity. Tool the bead within 5 minutes using a dampened finger dipped in mild dish soap water to smooth and compress the caulk into the joint. Keep the motion one continuous pass where possible so you do not rework cooled caulk. Allow full cure time specified on the tube, usually 24 hours for most silicone products, and avoid running water on the surface until fully cured. The 3 most common problems are gaps from moving too fast, messy squeeze out from cutting the nozzle too large, and poor adhesion from incomplete cleaning. If you move too quickly, you will get thin spots and gaps, so slow your pace and work in short controlled sections to maintain an even bead. If the nozzle cut is too large, you will create excess that requires scraping and leaves a sloppy edge, so recut the tip smaller and practice on scrap before the tub edge. If the surface is not clean, the caulk will not stick and will peel later, so always remove old material, wipe with alcohol, and allow the surface to dry fully before applying. We run BigHomeProjects.com as a place for homeowners to find local contractors and for contractors to find work related to projects like caulking and more. We also host an active discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and post real project photos so you can learn from others tackling the same tasks.